How to customize the Ride theme for your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to get started using the Ride theme, which is a free theme that Shopify offers, and how to go ahead and customize it. So to get started, basically we will just need to navigate to our Shopify store obviously, and then we will go to sales channels and click on online store, and then from there we will need to go to themes. And here you should have the active theme that you're working on already, but we want to add the right theme. So we just scroll down to theme library, click on add theme, and we will just need to visit the theme store. So just click on here. And then afterwards, after it loads, we will just do a simple search from here. Just type in Ride, and you should find the suggestion right here. And you should see it. So Ride theme, it is for free, and it looks exactly like this. You can click on it and view it and see how it looks. Afterwards, we just need to apply it. So just click on try theme. So it is actually for free and it is by Shopify. So do not worry about the pricing. Click on try theme and it is going to basically apply it for you. We just wait for it to load in. Shouldn't take too long. And then we will need to actually publish it or just customize it and then publish it. I suggest that you customize it first and then publish it. But for my case, no one is going to be seeing my site, so I'm just going to publish it first and then customize it. So I'll get back to you once I'm done. So after you open up the customization page, you should see this. So here is going to be the actual theme. And this is only the home page. If you want to navigate through other pages and edit them, you can simply click on the top page or the top button over here and just select the page that you want to edit. Let's just stick to the home page for now. And you'll have a lot of elements, and the elements, if you actually want to make changes to them, you can see you can click here, but it doesn't work. But if you actually want to make changes to them, you click on the left panel here, which is going to be the homepage panel, which has all the elements within the homepage. So we have the announcement bar from top to bottom. So this is the announcement bar. So we can just click on it and edit it like so. And then same goes for the text for the announcement bar. If you just click on the arrow, it's going to show you all the elements in it. So you can see the text. So for example, if you want to actually change the text for the announcement bar, you just go ahead and click on here and just change the text. So for example, what usually people do with the announcement bar is add some sort of sale. So we can just do 15% off, and then we can just add a link. To add a link and make it clickable, we just click on the link option and we just link it to a specific product or the all products if you want. I'm just going to choose this product, testing product that I have, and then just make sure you click on save. And now you can see that it is actually going to be clickable. So we have the announcement bar done. If you actually don't want the announcement bar to be shown, you can either delete it or just hide it. So now it is gone, but I'm just going to keep it on regardless. Next, we have the header, which is going to be this section over here, my store, home, catalog, and so on. So you can actually go ahead and change the menu. If you want to change the menu items, this is going to be a outside of the customization tab. You would need to actually go to the Shopify store and then options, and you can set up menus there, and you can just go ahead and select it afterwards from here. Now, before we get started, you can actually go ahead and add your logo. So if you want to add your logo here, we can just go to the theme settings option on the left side, click on it, and we click on the first option, which is logo. Click on here and just go ahead and underneath logo, select image and upload the image, which is your logo. Now, I don't really have a logo right now. I'm just going to be using this one for the sake of the example. And after it is done uploading, click on done. And it actually should show up here instead of the my store. And you can actually go ahead and change the sizing of the logo if you want. So we can just make it a little bit bigger. Great. So this is for the logo. Now, since we are in theme settings, here you can also adjust a few things. Like you can adjust the colors if you don't like the yellow. we can actually just change it from here, and we can also change the fonts and all of those things also from here. So let's start with the coloring options. So colors in Shopify work in schemes, and after you create your schemes, you can actually go ahead and change each section's scheme so it is applied to that section. I will show you exactly what I mean. For example, I don't like the yellow, I want it to be red. Just find all the yellow that exists in here. So scheme 1 has yellow. I'm just going to change this to red. And also I'm going to change this to red. And now some of the things have changed. Now the announcement bar didn't change because it is using the other scheme, which is scheme 4. So let me just change this to red. And let me just change this to red. And now the entirety of the website is basically red. Now, if you want to create your very own scheme, we can also click on Add Scheme and just create a completely different one. So let me just do something like this and show you how to actually apply these schemes to each individual section. For example, we want to apply the scheme 6, which we have just created, to the announcement bar. We can just click on announcement bar back in these sections, and scheme 4, we want to change this to scheme 6. And as you can see, it already just changed. Let me just take it back to scheme 1. Okay, let's just keep it as this. So this is basically how colors work. So just click on whatever section you want to change the color for. You will find these schemes. Change it to scheme 4, for example, and you can have this sort of different color stuff. Now, what else? If you want to, you can adjust also the images with text. This element is image with text. This is the text. This is the image. So just make sure you click on the arrow besides it. And now we have the text. We can obviously change this to whatever you like. And you can also change the heading size. And if we go back, we can also change the button over here. Here we can actually change the what it says. So let's do by now. And we can actually set up the link for the button by clicking on here and selecting the actual product. Now let's just go back. Now to actually adjust the image, you click on image with text and then select image, and we can just add this one for the sake of this example. And it is completely changed. And this is basically how it goes for editing the elements in a page. Now, what if you want to actually go ahead and add a section or an element? You can easily do so by clicking on add section at the bottom. So for example, we have image with text, we have future collection, and we want to add another one. We basically click on add section, and then we just select which section we want. So for example, if it's image banner, we click on it, and it is going to be added. Now, let's say we want it to be at the top, not at the bottom. Simple, just go ahead and actually click on it and move it upwards, and now you have your image banner over here. To adjust it is exactly the same. Click on the down arrow, change the text, change the actual buttons, and all of those things. So both text and buttons. And if you want to change the image, just click on image banner, select image, and we can just use this one. And there you have it. This is basically how to customize the Ride theme. So add sections, edit sections, and so on. And this is only for the home page. Make sure you save and move on to the next page afterwards. So for example, let's just go to the products, default product, and you can see this is the product page. Exactly the same thing here. So announcement bar, you can change this. You can change the header, and here for the template, which is the body, you can change the text, title, product rating, price, and so on. You can add block if you want. And basically, this is how editing goes for Ride theme for your Shopify store. So this is pretty much how to customize it. I hope you liked this video and found it to be helpful. And thanks for watching.